In this video, we'll learn about unloading a FRAMECAD machine from a shipping container. Use a standard forklift with space to maneuver. Place wooden blocks the same height as the floor of the container to rest the machine on. Secure strong webbing sling straps or tow ropes to the forklift and to the hoist access points and the base of the machine's chassis. Lift, reverse, and carefully pull the machine out of the container. As you pull the machine out, lay out additional wooden blocks for it to rest on. Once you have pulled the machine out of the container, it is ready to move into position. For our smaller products like the F-Series, you can rest the machine directly by inserting the arms of a standard forklift into the hoist-accessed pockets in the machine chassis and placing it into position. Hoisting our larger products with a high-capacity forklift or gantry crane shouldn't be done, as these products are so long and heavy that they will bend if they are lifted at the center. Instead, moving them is done using load skates. Heavy-duty load skates are positioned at weight-distributed points under the chassis. These wheeled skates allow the machine to then be pulled and pushed into position using the standard forklift. To get the skates underneath the machine, use the height adjustment screws in the feet to elevate the chassis. This provides enough height to position the skates underneath. You then twist the feet screws in reverse to lower the weight of the machine securely onto the skates. Once all the skates have been positioned and are taking the full weight of the machine, a standard forklift can now be used to carefully push and pull it into position. Skates allow for rotational movement. Plan each movement in advance and move the machine slowly. Check as you go to make sure skates don't slip out of place. For these large multi-profile machines, we highly recommend hiring heavy equipment moving professionals to ensure your FRAMECAD system is safely transported to your factory floor. Thank you for watching.